5 things I hate about my Mustang GT. Well, hate is a strong word, so maybe I should say 5 things I dislike about my Mustang GT. And when I say dislike, I really mean annoy me. So 5 things that really annoy me about my Mustang GT. So this is my 2021 5 litre V8 Mustang GT, which is an amazing car. So I'm a gadget man, and this car has all the gadgets. Auto headlights, auto wipers, active cruise control, active exhaust, heated and cooled seats. The list goes on, but it's not all rosy. Is there anything that annoys you guys about this car? If so, drop me a comment below. I'll be interested to read that. So here are those 5 things that annoy me about this car. Like most new cars today, this car comes with reversing camera and parking sensors. But if, for instance, you wanted to move up to the car in front of you whilst parking, it's got no front parking sensors. Most of the cars I've got have got front and rear parking sensors. Come on Ford, why? It can't be that expensive just to add those to this car. This car comes with an option to open your windows remotely with the key fob in case you're approaching your car on a very hot day and you want to let some of the heat out, which is great. But you are more likely to want to remotely close the windows when you get out of your car and realise you've left them open. And strangely, Ford don't let you do that with this car. Luckily, I found a device that will allow you to close your windows when you lock the car. Have a look at the description down below for a link to that video of me installing that device. Talking of things that should work automatically, just about every car that I know that has motorised folding mirrors automatically fold these mirrors in when you lock the car. Not the Mustang. Oh no. You have to manually remember to flick the switch when you get out the car to fold your mirrors in, and then when you jump in the car you've got to remember to flick the switch to fold your mirrors back out again. Luckily for me, the solution that fixed my window problem of not going up automatically also folds in your mirrors when you lock the car. That is absolutely fantastic. It's one of the greatest mods that I've fitted to this car. So if you want more information on that, go down the description, I'll put a link to that video. Oh, and remember, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and give me that thumbs up if you do like this video. Sat here inside the car, you can see that you have a range of toggle switches here which alter certain aspects of the car, such as the driving mode, steering wheel mode, traction, etc., and obviously the hazard lights. But the most annoying thing about these switches is they only toggle upwards, they don't go down. So for instance, if you're selecting the driving mode, you can toggle up, they don't go down, none of these go down, but you can toggle up to step through the modes. So for instance, if I want to select racetrack mode, so I can flick this up until I find racetrack. Oh, I've gone past it. Now I can't go back. I've now got to go from that mode, which is drag strip, to that one, to that one, to that one, to that one. It's just so annoying. Why couldn't they have a downward toggle and an upward toggle so you can go up and down the choices? It would be so easy. Again, very annoying. So the S550 Mustang GT now has active exhaust, which allows you to make the exhaust as noisy or as quiet as you like, which is fantastic. But you can only ever start the car up in normal mode, which is still quite loud, and it's not what I always want. Let me show you what I mean. So the engine's now running, and as you can see, I can go into exhaust mode and I can set it to, for instance, quiet. So that's nice and quiet. Neighbours will be happy with me starting up. Now let's just see what happens if I stop the car and start it up again. Sounds a bit loud to me. Let's go check on the dashboard what it's set as. Yes, it's set back to normal. Now yes, before you start going on, I am quite aware of the quiet start, and you can set a time to start and end at, but that's not what I want. So I go out in this car all different times of the night and day, so I can't really set a schedule because I don't know what time I'll be taking the car out. Why can't it just remember the last mode you had it in and leave it in that mode? Come on Ford, simple. So that's it. So that's the 5 annoying things that I don't like about the Mustang GT S550. But you know what? It's a great car, so I don't really care. Hey, by the way, if you did enjoy this video, go watch this one.